how to add Asana to Slack. From the left hand side, we will scroll down until we see the apps here and choose add apps. So here we will simply search for Asana and we will be able to locate it very easily. So move work forward, click on add, and this will refer us to another page where we have to click on add to Slack. And we have to log in with Google or our email address. I'm going to log in with a Gmail address here, and we have to click on allow. So it's going to look like this. Again, we have to allow it. It is going to request permission and it will take a little bit of time, but it will integrate. So you have successfully connected Asana to Slack. Now we can open up our Slack right here from the left hand side, and we can locate Asana from the apps section. If we just click on it, then it will give us a little hello message. So who are Slack teammates you'd like to collaborate with in my workspace? Add your teammates and they will receive an email to join you in Asana. So here we can type out, or actually if we click on this menu, it appears like so. So we can select different team members from our Slack and we can add them and we can send them an email like this. And now they can connect with us through Asana, through Slack. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.